Hey guys, for July overhead pull push squat, we're going with the weight shift in the pull up. So just going to keep a parallel grip with the rings. Easiest version you can have is where you've got your feet on the ground throughout. So you're just spotting yourself through the legs, pulling over, nice dead hang, and then coming over. If you've got sore knees, you can just have the feet a little bit in front so you have to do that really deep bend. That's nice, so you can get that nice range of motion and really get that good pull with the lower traps at the top. From there we're going to go into a full body weight, but just doing an eccentric, so you jump up, lower down. From there, jumping up, control, lower down, jump up, control. From there you go into full body weight, so you got the nice dead hang, bit of an arch, and as you pull, a bit of a hollow. To make that one harder, you can just keep the body tight so it stays straight. Then you can go half L, you can go for the straddle or the full L to make it heavier. All those are quite challenging. Obviously the further the rings are apart, the harder it's going to be as well. And the more you can shift into one ring to make it more like a one-arm pull-up. The overhead press, just using the band. Even this band's quite hard to really get a nice lockout for some people, especially to really get that stack. A lot of people are fighting the inflexibility in the thoracic and the shoulder to get that lockout. So you can start on the knees like this and press it up, really feel that alignment, looking up through the eyebrows, so you don't want to throw your head back and press up with the chest. Practicing that nice handstand stack. To make that heavier, just stand on the band or use the heavier bands. And then from there, coming up, lock out. Really trying to feel that nice stack. The squat this month, just doing a 3D toe tap in the squat position. So you're going to reach as far forward as you can. Sagittal plane, coming up, reach as far out to the side as you can, keeping that core active. And then rotating, turning out from the hip in a transverse plane. Because it's a fairly slow movement, this month what I'd recommend is going 30 seconds on the pull, 30 seconds on the push, 30 seconds each leg. So it'd be pretty quick to try and just do 15 seconds a leg, because there's a lot of stability involved and control, and you're really trying to challenge yourself to reach further and get deeper on that squatting leg. And then just work with roughly the reps. Just keep going through front, side rotation until you hit the reps. So if it was 7 reps a side, just get 2 times 3 plus the extra 1 to make it work. But you just want to enjoy that feeling of the glutes really turning on as you reach, keeping that pelvis level, core active, sticking the butt out. Avoid that kind of tucking under if your hamstrings are tight, and kind of rounding out of the back. You really want to engage that hip by really sinking into it, driving through the whole foot, keeping that stability in the foot and the ankle, and getting stronger and healthier. So doing 4 rounds of that, 8 minutes, nice workout, get it done. Really basic, the pull-push legs, once each a week, 3 workouts. It's only a 24-minute investment for the whole week, and that's really your basics for the training. So even if you didn't do the gymnastic strength and all the other stuff, just stuck to that and did a bit of core, you can get a lot done with 24 minutes a week. So it's better if you add it all in, you'll progress a lot faster, but sometimes you're busy, and then it's better to just stick to 8 minutes 3 times a week rather than dropping off altogether. So just make it work. See you next time.